Hey guys, it's Matt with Revive Builds, and in this video I want to show you how you can turn these old shoes into a big eraser for your abrasives. Let's check it out.
Alright, so first step is to find a pair of shoes or boots that are ready to be thrown out. Just unusable pair of shoes. Just like these. And unfortunately for me, these were only a year old, so I was pretty disappointed in the quality. And before I threw them out, I really wanted to see if I could reuse the shoes as much as possible. And that's when I recalled a woodworking friend of mine had mentioned that the soles of shoes were made out of rubber, and that was the same material that abrasive erasers, which you can buy at the hardware store, are made of. Now, you really don't need to do anything special with your shoe. You can literally just have a shoe laying around and use that to clean all your abrasives. But I wanted to turn the soles of these shoes into something that looked more like an eraser, and this is what I came up with. So as you can see, I cut the soles up into long, thin strips, which then I bundled together and wrapped with plastic wrap, super tight, so that it became a stiff eraser stick. Now, I found that the plastic wrap works really well because it holds all the strips tightly without interfering with the cleaning of the abrasives or the sandpaper.
So let's test these out and see how they work. Well guys, there you have it. I made these pretty ugly erasers for all my abrasives, but I was able to reuse the soles of these old shoes that I was going to throw out. So it's a win for me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. And now I did save the heels. I didn't use these on this project. Did save it for another project, so stay tuned for that video, and we'll see you in the next one.